Hula hoop tayo guys habang inaantay ko si Dan kasi aalis kami ngayon. Ah, Lord. Pabilis na ito. Exercise. Whew. Yung abs ko ano na. Nangangalay na. Whew. Ow. Kapagod. Kapagod mag-hula hoop. Ready? Whew, I did hula hoop while I'm doing live, but I think this time is not a right time to do live.
Okay.
Yeah, there's nobody's awake. I think because it's
And possibly no one in the Philippines. Plenty of Americans awake.
maybe Yeah.
Filipinos, it's 4 in the morning.
Oh, 4 in the morning. Okay, so um they're all still sleeping. Where should I wear shoes? This comfy one.
Anything you want. It's not that cold.
I'm gonna bring hi. That's I guess somebody watching me, but that's my other. I'm gonna bring my wallet and my key. We're going out. Oh, doing the whole for a little bit make me sweat. My armpit is sweaty.
Yeah, it's pretty warm in
Wallet
here.
and key.
75 in here.
Ooh, my key is all pink. Even there's nobody watching, but I'm gonna grab my shoes real quick. I'm gonna bring my purse. Okay. This is gonna wear. Ooh, my
Yeah,
super
if you want to
cute
do a live
boots.
stream, you can walk around and show off all the freaking shoes you have. That'll take you a while.
See, this is
There
what's
we go,
look.
right?
This is what's look like, guys. It's super cute. Boots. Okay, I'm gonna cut this live and I'll try again later tonight. Hoping for the best.